Hello, one and all, it is I, Ragarath, back again with my Satisfactory series, and today we are going to be making some engines. We need engines which need stators, or stators, or however you want to pronounce that word. But we are already making these in 5 per minute, and we're only using 2.5 in here. But I think we need to move this along a bit so that we can fit a splitter in. So this is, what's this making us? This is making us the automated wiring. So let's move this forward. And I have moved my bars so that I can select things reasonably logically now. And what I want is that there, I think. Oh! I tried pressing 8, but I've moved them to there. So, there we go. Right. Now, let's remove this. We can leave that one in place, and we can choose just number 1s going across here. That's all we need. There we go. Now my stators are going into the right places. That's brilliant. We probably need to move this further back though. I obviously ran out of space, so I've put automated stuff up, automated storage stuff up here. So let's get this right down here in line with these ones, which is something like here. Oh my gosh, we've run out of rods. We'll have to steal some of them from over here. This is rods, but we seem to be running low. Why are we running low on rods? Do we need to start making more rods? Oh no. More rods are needed, I feel. This is a bad state to be in, I feel. So for this one, we are going to need to split off these starters here. And then I think we'll put it this side. Because we're going to need, I think, to split off of this as well. Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll put one of these, like, I'm going to put it right over to this side, so it's there. And then I want a splitter, which, if I use my keys properly, should be on this one. Don't want to be moving whilst I'm doing it, so I can't stand on a conveyor belt. It needs the option like we get in Tectonica that allows you to set the belts so they don't move you. Okay, and that needs to be going into that and across there. And then, why are you not? Oh, this is backwards. I thought I did it right, but perhaps not. So I need to rotate you. There we go. And then that will work, hopefully. Please excuse if I hit the wrong buttons at the moment. After moving my toolbars around, it's just remembering where I put them. We're also going to need more power, I think, because if we have a look at our power, yeah, our max consumed is well above our generation line. We are definitely going to need another coal station. Luckily, not all the machines are working all the time, so we might get away with this for the moment. Let's power him on. And then for a motor, we need rotors as well. I thought that was going to be the wire, but it's not. The wire was for making the stators, but I'm already doing them. So, why have I got a random one here? Must have put it down somewhere to have a look at what I was building and forgot to remove it. So rotors are being built where? over this side, aren't they? Really need to make separate rooms for everything. Or separate buildings, even. So this is only doing 4 per minute. And how many are we using down here? Well, this isn't using all of them, right? So that's all right. That's using 2 per minute. So if this uses 2 per minute, we can split it off quite easily. And this one's 10 per minute. No, 10. Yeah, it does. Ah, what? 10? Well, let's start it off by bringing 2 across. Because 2 per minute will help. Now, we want to get it over to there. Can we get it in line with this one? I reckon we can. If we put a splitter on here. Like that. And then we put a... What are we doing? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that going to get it above that? I'm not sure. No, that's the same height as it. Don't really want to go too high with this because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it at 6. And see how we go. Oh, this is the horrible bit I made, isn't it? Really got to tidy that up. And then it should be here. Oh. Alright, so we need to kind of get a good look at this, don't we? Can we get up here? Are we going to make it up there? No. We go on here and then up. So close. Yes. Right. Oh, look. That's kind of in the way, isn't it? Oh my god. It needs to go another 2 higher. Oh, and conveyor belt is too long? Really? Oh, no. That's not what we want. Okay, so I can put one here. Let's put it right behind this. And then... Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. Then that should get into there. Now we can just bring it up normally, can't we? Like that. That's good. Are we getting some come along? Yeah, we're getting some come along. Alright, so that will run for the moment. So that is making us engines. But we haven't put down... Oh, I was pressing caps lock, not the button I wanted. No, it needs to be on this one. Somewhere around here. Okay, so the shadow comes up to here, which I think that's about right. But are we in line? I wish these lines would be longer. The lining up lines need to be longer. Like that. Why are you not powered? Well, that's interesting. Why are you not powered? Oh, now. Why did that have my bars in them? I'm really confused by this. Stop confusing me, game. So you're not powered. Why are you not powered? You're getting stuff. You're... Oh, because I put a new one down. What are you making me? Advanced automated wiring. There we go. There, now it's working. And this one, we can just copy this off of here. Which should then, if I've not been a numpty and put it in the wrong place, which I have, there we go. Right. So we should now be making engines very slowly. That's not got any rotors. I'm sure I saw two rotors come along. Here comes one more. I'm sure I saw two rotors come along. Oh, I've already made some engines. Nice! Okay, so engines are being made. Just not extremely fast. I think we need some more rotors going on. Oh, we do actually have enough screws going on to make rotors. But what else do we need for rotors? Is it this one? Yeah, screws and rods. So we're making extra screws up the top, aren't we? So I wonder if we chuck some more screws or rods out. Let's have a look over here. Okay, so plenty of rods going on here to make some more screws. Half of these screws we can take to make them. So let's have a look at what we need for this. So if we're going to make more rotors, we need screws at 100 per minute. Which this won't do. We'll only have 60 because this does 40 and we've got 20 spare on this one. So we would need to build another screw production facility and rods, which would then, these only take 7, yeah, these, so that would give us 5 spare rods, which could then go into here. And perhaps some more, right, 2 rod machines, 1 screw machine, then that does more rotors, and then we can fix those in, which would be 4 per minute. Which would speed up our engine making. So, we're going to do this. We're going to have this up here. So, going to need to be sending some more stuff up, mind. Right, so you want to make rods. You want to make rods. And we need to increase capacity up here. So once you've made rods, one of you needs to be making into that, but then I need to put all 3 of these need to converge in the middle here. No, it's not a merger. There we go. And we're going to spit out this way like that, which means that can go into there. That can go to there. You can go into... Oh, that's not right angle. There we go, that looks neater. Right. So that's chucking into there. This needs to be, though, about 2, because we've got 20, 40, 80. Yeah, we've got 100 coming out of here. So if 100 is going into one of these, let's bring it right back here. Then I need less of these to be used on, but it can supply 100 per minute. That's nice. This one's not doing anything. Why are you not doing anything? Oh, you're not being fed. Okay. So you do 15 per minute and you need 10 per minute. So... Let's just put that one into there for the minute. You're not working either. I haven't joined you on. Okay. I definitely need enough to supply another 2, don't I? Ah, that one's supplying here. Yeah, okay. So I can't use that one. But I do need to speed up the amount of ore coming, the amount of ingots coming. So let's upgrade this to a 2, a 2, and a 2. Because we're going to need a lot coming down here. And we'll split it off again. Right, let's see what we've got. Yeah, because I think there's enough coming down here, isn't there? You're making 60? 30 per minute. Right. So 30... So we've got 90 coming. These need to be turned into tier 2s then. Let's find some plates, which I think are down here somewhere. Oh, there's 100 in there. That'll help. Right. Oh, have I not turned that back on yet? Is that one... Oh no, he is working. I don't think I turned him on. Right. So, this one's checking 30 per minute. What we want to do is upgrade this. This is upgraded. And we upgrade that. Then we should be able to move it quicker. Yeah, yeah. How many are you producing? 120. You're taking 30. 1, 2, 3. So I've got another one I can use here. But I'm going to need to change this up, aren't I? Because this can't be here. I'm going to be making this like really nasty, but deal with it. Because what I'm going to do is, for the moment, is just do that. Okay, because that means there's 60 going this way, 30 and then 30. That's fine. That's what we want. And then this one needs to be split as well. Like this. Oh, that's horrible. Does that work? Yes. Woo! Right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring it here and put one backwards. So, yeah, I'll just bring it straight down the back here. I think. Because if I can do that, then I can bring this around and go back that way. Oh my gosh, this is getting so messy. How many have we got coming off here? We've got 4. So let's remove that one a minute. And let's copy you down to here. And let's copy you. And put you in there. Right. Then you can power him. And you can power him. Nice. And then you... Oh, cool. That's all in anyway, so we can just bring it straight down. How far is this going to come? Not far enough. But all we're going to do with this is straight in here. And this is at tier 2, so it should be keeping up when we have everything sorted upstairs. So why aren't you smelting? Because I've not selected. It's not automatic on satisfactory. There we go. Right, so this is now joining 3, which are producing 30 per minute. So that's 90 I've got coming up now. Nice. Nice. That's what we like to see. So if we now jump over this way, so we should have 90 per minute coming all the way along, except we haven't upgraded this. That doesn't need to be upgraded. In fact, let's get rid of this and put a splitter here. Do we need a... Yeah, we're going to need a splitter. Like that. And then you go across there. You go into there. And we want another splitter here. That. That. And then like that. Nice. That should feed all of that. Hopefully. Okay. So these two we want making rods. Oh yeah, you're making rods, but you got no power. Okay, so they are now powered, making rods, and this needs to do screws. Yes, because that's feeding this one. Cool beans. What we're doing here, we're making more rods because we need one of these making rods for this, which is making us rotors, and iron rods need to come in this way. Right. Yeah, that's good. You're making rods, you come down and go like that. Wonderful. Now that'll make us engines a lot quicker. Not at full speed yet, but a lot quicker. could do with bringing some power over here somewhere. What we're going to do, I think, if we put one in the corner here, then we can have... What corner are we on? We're on this corner. And just do that. Nice! So this should now be making us some rotors. Why is that not filling up so quick with rotors? Ah, this one's not powered. There we go. We've got to be getting close to power limits, even with... Yeah, look. Oh my gosh. We've got to build some power, guys. Okay, so we got this running now, which should run at full speed. If that jumps up to 50 screws, we're happy. Yes, look at that. Right, let's get these down and join them on. So we really want to come down here. So I'm going to go with one of these. We want a merger here. Oh. Like this. Yeah, that's good. And we want... No, that's not going to work. That needs to go like that. There we go. And you into that. You can have some of those, because I just picked those up. You can make some more engines. And then we need... I need a way up. I'm going to build a way up here, initially, I think. Let's find our big ramps. Is this gonna... No, because this will come into the middle of this, won't it? Oh my gosh. So need a way up. I would go up here, but I can't. I'm just going to run around. What a waste of time. Oh, I told you it was getting close. Oh dear. Let's just finish this off, and then we'll sort it out. So, what we want here is one of these. I think that's about right. Oh. Oh. Got it wrong again. That's better. Oh, I can't do that. So let's do this instead. Oh, that wasn't in the right height, was it? I think that was right. It seemed to say it was lining up, didn't it? Yeah, that's better. Right, let's get rid of that. Now, let's just place in another coal power plant. And I think we're done. So we're going to want some of these. Soup mode. Really needs to be in that mode by default. Okay, we've got just enough room to fit in another coal power station there. Like so. Yeah. Our water's not going to be enough though, I don't think. That's going to be... Oh, we're missing copper. Sheets. Sheets are needed. So we want to bring this, because I want junction here. In fact, this is going to be the last one here, so we can just do a right angle at the end here. Don't need to have a junction. There we go. Now, I don't think this is going to be supplying enough water for all of these. What did the water supply give us? 120. So it's going to be... These need 50 a minute, yeah. We're going to be 10 less, so we might have to put another water pump up in the water as well. Do that. Put one of you on. Oh, this is so much neater than my first method of doing this. Nice. And we want to copy you. Oh. Forgot it does the bottom one first, doesn't it? Nice. Give you some coal. Now we need some power, which we will bring down to here. Alright, and now, power! Yes, but our capacity still isn't reaching what we could potentially use. Oh my gosh. But at the moment, it's covering our highest peak so far. So we really need another one, don't we? Where am I going to put this? I don't want to mess this arch up. I didn't want to come past this arch. Perhaps I can put some long ways here. Let's go for this. What do you think? Will this work? If I put another pump in, then that's enough for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we can bring it forward a bit, even, can't we? So we don't mess our arches up. Oh, we've run out of plates. Okay, they're crafted. You didn't need to watch that. So let's have a look at what we can do here. I wonder if I just cover this area in anyway, because it's not going to spoil the arch, and the arch will just be a feature. As long as I don't put any buildings over it. And I take it I can't, like, take the arch down anyway because it's made of rock. Yeah. Okay. But what I can do then is I can just jump these to the other side of the arch, can't I? And then they'll be in a row still. Yeah. That's good. Right. Well, you're in the middle there. And you want to be like this way. There? There. Right. So this one does need to be a junction, and we're going to need to upgrade the infrastructure for the coal too, aren't we? Okay, so this has to go a minute, and then we will have to put in another junction there. So let's put that in first. These ones I haven't put on my logistics bar yet. So let's line ourselves up with this. Right now. Right. And this one can go, and this one can go. Then we can bring this all the way down here. I think there's right. That's straight. That's straight. Nice. So that one can go in there. And we need to do our coal again. So we need to copy this. And line it up with this one. I know. I'll sort it in a second. There we go. So is that lined up? Yeah, I think so. And then, oh, cue there like that. Cue there like that. Hup. We're going to have to do plates in a minute. We're going to need our reinforced plates and upgrade these to belt 2s. Right, we need to get over this side, and we need to copy this. Nice. Right, that's everything here done. We need plates. Reinforced plates, and then we'll upgrade the coal coming up. And then we'll sort the water situation out, and then we should all be good. What's taking plates? This is taking plates. Do we have enough plates, is the question. We got 57 in there, and a couple more here. I think that's the only things doing plates. So let's see if we've got enough to upgrade these to plate 2s. I'm not sure what to put here. The arch is in the way. We need to upgrade that to a Mark II miner as well. What are we missing? We need another. Ooh. We need another miner, like portable miner that is handmade, custom made by your very own Ragarath. So let's craft one of these. probably fill all this in so I don't have to jump about. But not now. Oh, hang on. How do I get over that now? Like that? Right. So if I upgrade you to a Mark II, invalid aim location. There we go. Now, do we have enough to upgrade? How far along? Did that do all of that? All the way down? No, it didn't do that. Right. I think. Has it done it all the way in? It did. I wonder if we're going to have enough for this. Right, into there. That needs to be a 2. Ah, I think this one might need to be a 2. What have we got? Say we've got 120 coming up. This splits it into... How many are these using? How many do coals use? Oh, I can't even jump over anymore. They use 15. Okay, so 15. Right, yeah, we need a few more plates, really. I'm gonna make them. Be right back. Okay, so I've got some more plates. Let's. Oh no! I've done it. I fell off. I can get back up here without dying. Hopefully, if I don't fall off the edge. Right. So if I upgrade that, if I upgrade the through fare, the end ones and the ones going this way only need to carry 15 a minute. So that should hopefully suffice for them. So that's 30, 60, 90. Yeah, so I can fit another 2 in, to be honest, with just that. So I think I'm going to have to start this running off of my things over here, because otherwise I won't have enough power to run everything. So that should start things running until I get enough coal back up here. So let's run over to the water. I'll meet you over there because it's a long way to go. Okay, I drove my trusty tractor over, so I got here reasonably quick. Now, I do want a third one of these in here. So can it go in here? Yeah, I reckon it can go in here and point this way. So it's going to be a east-west pointer. So I suppose we can get it. I saw it go blue. There we go. I reckon there it's going to be perfect. Look at that. Okay. So now I kind of want the junction in line with these two. Rather than being in line there. I wonder if I put it on here. So, I mean, that's going to be at a weird angle. Is this one in, this one's in line with that, isn't it? What if I put... Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I know what I can do. If I join this one on, so it's like that, then I can put one of these in line with that one. It is at an angle at the moment, so let's try and get this roughly right. Right. Let's do that, and then I could put one in between there and there, and then I can line one up with this one. this works. This is fine. Right. And then that one can go onto that one, like that. This one can come up this way and can point right in the middle of this one, like this. We're going to lock that hologram in place. That's not quite right. There we go. Oh, hang on, where's north? North's that way. That's it. Kind of was right, was it? Yeah, that's straight north. And that's kind of straight east. Right, that can go there. And that can go in there. Right. And then this wants to come out and join on over here. So it's going to be a little weird, this bit, because it's going to have to come up. I want to go back one, maybe. That'll do. Remember, these aren't on a proper grid, so it's not going to be perfect, but got it as close as we can, I reckon. 1, 2. There we go. And that can go in there. Right. All 3 of them are now pumping. So we should be getting 300 meter free all the way along this pipe now. And that, oh my god, tractor. That is enough to run all of the bits that we want. How do I get to the tractor? There we go. That's enough to run all the 6 coal plants that we've so far put up. Oh, can we run it over? Oh, I missed him. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back over here, and one thing I have noticed, I thought that it was this 50 meters a meter free that he uses, but it doesn't. It only uses 45. So 2 only uses 90. So we've got 90, 120, yeah, 180, and then these last 2 are like it only takes it up to 270, and I'm pumping 300 through the pipes, but that 30 spare is not really enough to do anything with. Not at the moment, anyway. Maybe at some point we will see. So, I'm going to put it there, because otherwise we're going to... Oh, it's gone through it anyway. Never mind, we like clipping. But we should have plenty of water coming down now. Look at this. Working nice. I haven't checked out the coal situation, but I assume that is okay, because things are running. So let's run around this side. And they're all taking what? What are they taking of coal? Only 15 a minute, wasn't it? Yeah, so... Yeah, we're working. Brilliant. Okay, so that's the power sorted out, and that is the factory now running. Let's just check our power levels before we finish up here. Ah, look at this. Right. So our current... Oh, we haven't fixed our line that separates the rest of the factory. So the rest of the factory isn't running at the moment, is it? So we need to take that line, and we need to join this back on to this one for the rest of the factory. Then we can check our power levels. and we broke everything. The spike in power broke everything. Right, let's try again. There we go. Right, so our capacity is just above, again, our max consumed. So in future, we'll have to make sure that our capacity is above our max consumed so we don't get into this problem again. Although, it's me. You know it'll occur again because I don't watch the power. But production use is currently at 450, so max consumed isn't really jumping up all that high, so cool. If you've enjoyed this episode, guys, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. There'll be more Satisfactory, more Tectonica, and I might chuck in some Factorio when I get around to playing that again, because the new Factorio did get released with their space stuff. But otherwise, I will see you in my next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye all!